PeaRoy?
Yes, sir, that's me, Mr. Rick. I know you're busy and all.
Yeah, I've been pretty busy.
But we need to tell some jokes, you know.
Yeah, you're right. We do need to tell some jokes. Seeing how the weather's fixing to get real bad outside, we might as well do it right here. You want to?
Yep, let's do
right.
it.
Well, I'll tell mine first, all right? Hang on a second.
All right, you do it. You tell yours.
All right.
Yeah.
Why don't eggs tell jokes to each other?
Why don't eggs tell jokes to each other? I don't know, somebody yoke.
Well, cause it might crack them
Oh,
up.
yeah. It might crack them up. That's funny
that's
right
right.
there, I'll tell you. All right, tell nothing.
All right, well, what do you call a lamp that is, that says thank you and yes ma'am and no ma'am and that kind of thing? What do you call that?
I'll be honest with you, I don't know.
A pole light.
Pole light.
Yeah, a pole light. Remember, these are dad jokes.
Nice. Yeah.
All right, dad
know,
jokes.
nice.
All right.
Oh, there's your thing.
That means somebody's at my mailbox. You already know that by now.
Mailbox. All right, tell nothing.
All right, well, what do you call a game that was invented by accident?
A game that was invented by accident.
Right.
Okay.
An unattended.
Nintendo. I get it. That's a guy. Yeah, Nintendo. I get it.
Yeah, well.
All right, give me a there.
All right, well, look here. Why are good-looking people so busy?
Well, you know, I don't know why are they so busy.
Well, hang on there.
Well,
I'll tell you in a minute. I'm too busy
Oh,
right now.
man. What are you saying?
That's funny.
I don't care who you are. Oh, man.
All right, then. Well, PeaRoy, what's worse than a box full of snakes?
Oh, wait, a box full of snakes?
Right.
I don't know what's worse than that.
A box that was supposed to be full of snakes, and now it
Oh,
ain't.
Lord.
That's
You
right,
scared
that
me
ain't
now.
too good. No. All right, well, I'm gonna tell my long joke first, and then I'll let you tell your jokes. All right?
Look at that one.
All right.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
Well, one time there was this man, and he just couldn't get any sleep, and he had a wife that just talked all the time. And his wife told him, he said, "Well, if you can't sleep, you ought to go to the doctor."
Yeah.
He says, "Well, maybe I will."
Well, that's good for you.
So he went to the doctor, and he told the doctor he couldn't sleep, and the doctor gave him sleeping pills.
Right.
And he said, "I want you to come back and see me in a week now, because you'll have a whole week taking them pills." He said, "All right."
Sounds good.
So about a week later, the man comes back. Doctor said, "Well, how are you sleeping?" He said, "Man, I'm sleeping good as anything." He said, "Well, that's good to know." He said, "Have you taken up all them pills?" He said, "No." He said, "Well, what are you doing?"
What?
He said, "You know, I'm getting a great amount of sleep."
Okay.
And he said, "I've been sleeping all week." He said, "It's awesome."
Yeah. Okay.
He says, "Well, let me subscribe you some more pills." I done forgot how the stupid joke
Well,
goes.
you shouldn't be telling it then. My goodness, you had me all.
He said, "Have you been taking them pills like I told you to?" He said, "No, I've been giving them to my wife."
Okay, now that's how it goes. I get that now. I get it. I get it. All right. He getting good sleep now. Yeah, he getting good sleep now. I get it.
See, he was giving the pills to his wife so she'd shut up.
I got it. All right.
Yeah, I know, it's whatever. All right, now you tell your jokes, all right?
All right. Well, what do you call it when you mix holy water and a laxative?
What do you call a drink mixed with holy water and laxative?
That's right.
I don't know.
Oh, a religious movement.
Man, that ain't right. All right, tell me there.
Why did the bicycle fall over?
I don't know. Why did the bicycle fall over?
He's too tired.
Too tired. Man, yeah, go ahead and tell me that.
What do you call a rude cow?
I don't know.
Beef jerky.
Beef jerky.
Yeah.
Oh my, okay.
All right.
Tell me that.
All right. If a Pac-Man was to buy a chocolate factory, what would you call the factory?
All right, if Pac-Man bought a chocolate factory.
That's right.
I don't know.
Willy Wonka, 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 Wonka.
Willy Wonka, 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 Wonka. Yeah, I get it. All right, Willy Wonka. All right, tell me there.
All right, well, there's this fella, and he went to a job interview, and he was asking a tremendous salary, and the guy said, well, why are you asking so much for of a salary when you don't know nothing about this field? You're replying.
Well, sounds right.
And he says, well, because I don't know nothing about that field, so this job's gonna be a whole lot harder.
Oh man.
Yeah.
You know that only makes sense. It would be harder on him, wouldn't it? Oh man. All right, you go ahead and tell your long joke now.
Well, all right. Well, at one time there was this man, this lawyer, highfalutin lawyer, you know, and he worked for this art dealer. He was a wealthy art dealer. Okay.
Okay.
So when he got there, he says, "Well, sir, I'm gonna have to tell you something. I got some good news and some bad news. Which one you want to hear first?" He says, "Well, you better tell me the good news first, because I've had a horrible day and all." He says, "All right." So he says, "Well, sir, I'm gonna be honest." Well, he said, "Your wife bought 2 pictures." He said, "She bought 2 pictures." He said, "Yeah." He says, "Those pictures are allowed to make about $15 to $20 million a piece."
Woo, that's a bunch of money right there.
He goes, "Wow, man, that's some great news." He said, "Now, what's the bad news?" He said, "Well, they pictures of you in bed with another woman."
Oh no! Oh. That's a bad art collector right there, man. Woo, man, that there's. Woo, man, that's bad right there. That's bad. All right, then. Well, look here. I'm sorry, but I got a lot of editing to do here. You better run on. Thank you for including me in on it. I'll talk to you later. All right.
I know. Look here, Mr. Rick. I know you're busy. I'm going to let you go, but that there's funny. Hey, look, if there's anybody out there that knows any dad jokes, hey, how about y'all sending them in to us? At the end of this, it's going to show the address of where to send them, or the email for you to send them to me, and we'll give you recognition for them. All right. Thank you so much for being here. Love y'all.